everyone. I've been quiet up until this time. I'm gonna just talk a little bit, just to give you a tour of the island. So, as I was mentioning in my full in-depth review of the car on the pier where I reviewed it, this is the island of Pag. So, we just drew from the Navalja to the we're driving to the ferry now. So this is between the island. There's some vegetation here, but there's some interesting beaches that way to the right, but we're going towards the ferry faster. I just want to show you the all-wheel drive. When you put it to sport, it just picks up nicely. So as you can see, there's still some vegetation, but after we pass this few bends, there's gonna be no vegetation. It's gonna be just rocks again, and because of that wind blowing from the mountains down, picking up sea, throwing salt water on the east side of the island, which creates this uninhabited environment for the plants, because the salt eats, every living thing. Just it's a bit aggressive, so there's really small vegetation. Pag is known, they have sheep here, so they have this specific diet, let's call it that way, and that is, you get this Pag cheese, just very good hard cheese you get from the sheep. As you can see over here, that's the part where there's like just rocks, and you can see over here it's ferry port. So this road, this is this famous road where they bring new expensive cars, they bring helicopters flying over. These days they use drones, professional drones, but they drive here through this. There's another car filming it from the side, from the air, so that's nice. So we're gonna be going down now. So in this case, we're gonna respect the speed limit 30 because there's a bend, but you can see the canal between here, the island, and look at this. At this point, it's just rocks. It's just a little bit grass, but it's mostly rocks. So this is where the Rimac was taking his photos when the Concept 2. So if you're into that, I just noticed this water bottle is kind of resonating a bit. It's annoying. You just push it to the side, it stops. Nope, continues. So all-wheel drive comes in handy, more stable, no leaning. That's very nice. And look at this. This is just beautiful landscape. Up there is, towards that direction, is a Rijeka, so that would be, Americans call it a Rijeka or Rijeka, I can't pronounce it. Behind me would be Zadar, and Split, Dubrovnik. So this is the part where they film. Oh my god, this bottle is so annoying. This is where they film. So I mean, this really looks, just put this there. So look at this. This is so gorgeous. This is such a beautiful landscape. That's where they come here. It looks fantastic. You can imagine in the winter when there's huge clouds, when this Bura wind swoops down, it really looks beautiful. There's like clouds and there's like a gap. It just looks amazing. So I'm gonna be a little bit quiet and keep driving and end the video on the bottom. You can actually see the ferry unloading cars. Some tourists arriving, first guests to the island. gonna turn around here, so I'm not going to the ferry. That was it. Thanks for watching.